Good morning, dear students of class 8. Welcome to the online English learning class. We are going to take up lesson 4 from your textbook, It So Happened, The Treasure Within. We'll take up today comprehension check of this lesson part 1. Yesterday we took up part 1 of the lesson. Let us quickly revise what we did in part 1. We did about this famous personality, Hafiz Contractor, who's a famous architect. And here in this lesson, Bela Raja, editor of Sparsh magazine, she is interviewing Hafiz Contractor. The lesson is in the form of an interview. Hafiz Contractor is India's famous architect. Architect is a person who designs buildings. Now, Hafiz Contractor's school days we discussed in part 1. He was an unhappy schoolboy. Although he loved doing things, but he hated mechanical learning. And he was very scared of mathematics. But one day, his principal's words brought a great change in his life. And he started studying. So let us take the comprehension check from this lesson. Now, we'll discuss the question answers. You are going to write down the question answers in your notebooks. Question number 1. What did Hafiz Contractor have nightmares about? Now, what is a nightmare? A nightmare is a bad dream or a haunting dream which really disturbs you. Now, Hafiz had nightmares about his mathematics examination, where he did not know anything. Question number 2. What did the principal say to him which influenced him deeply? The principal told Hafiz that he was a good student, but he never studied. And the lesson also tells that Hafiz's mother used to take care of him as his father was not alive. And Hafiz was not serious towards his studies. His mother had worked hard to bring him up. So the principal advised him it was the time now, as he was in 11th standard, to rise to the occasion and study. Till 10th, principal, teachers and his mother was taking care of him. But now in 11th standard, as he will have to appear for a board exam in class 12th also, he needs to work hard. Now question number 3. That year, I did not step out into the field. What was he busy doing that year? Answer, he was busy studying books that year. He did not go for games, and the only thing he did throughout the year was to eat and study. He studied very hard that year, and as a result, he got a second division with 50% marks. And what was the comment of his principal? His principal said that he is very proud of Hafiz because whatever marks he has got, it is because of his own hard work. And the principal said, you have got a distinction. Question number 4. What distraction did Hafiz Contractor create one day? Would you have liked to participate in the distraction had you been with him? So as a schoolboy, Hafiz was very naughty. He never concentrated on his studies. So that day, for whole 1 hour, he, along with his friends, played chore police. So he distracted other students also from studying, not only himself. Now, what would you have done had you been with him? I would have avoided such distraction for the fear of the teacher. Moreover, it was completely a waste of time. So one should realize that at the time of studies, one should devote 100% towards studies. And if one is playing, one should be interested in games. But we should know when, what we are supposed to do. So that's all for today's class. We are going to take up part 2 tomorrow. You are going to write down these question answers in your notebooks. And if you have any problem, you can also write message to me in your WhatsApp group. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care, students.